Today I'm going to explain how to create an LMS structure. So LMS is basically the online curriculum or anything that you want to show to the students in a structured way to explain various topics in a course, which may include assignments and quizzes as well. However, you don't need to conduct the assignments through the LMS. So LMS can be a separate entity, and the assignments and exams can be different entities within the batch. So today I'm going to explain how to create just a simple structure and add a few files to create an LMS. So what you're seeing in front of you is the inside of a screen of the LMS. Uh, how I got here is I went into the course and I clicked on LMS. So when I click on LMS, there is an existing default LMS. I will make sure that auto assign to batch is on in this, because if you create this LMS and there is a new class that is added, then there will be a notification in that there is an LMS available for this class in case the teachers want to give that feature to the students. So I went into the view section of this LMS, and this is where I came. Now, basically, our LMS is structured in such a way that you can have three levels of hierarchy in the content. So the first level, the top level, is the chapter, then lesson, and then topic. So to create a structure, you may just use our very easy structure creator. So how to go to the structure creator? Just click on the actions menu here and click on core structure. So when you click on core structure, uh, it shows you that this is the current structure that is there in the course. And if you want to create the structure, then you have the option create structure. So when you click on create structure, it opens a window where it asks you, okay, how many chapters, how many lessons, and how many topics. In case you don't want three levels of complexity, you can always remove topics over here. So then you will have just chapters and lessons. For now, what I'll do is I will keep topics on. So even if you want to use two levels, it's always good. It's always a good idea to have one chapter, and then whatever different lessons you have, you can add here. So you can see there's a plus sign. So you can click on the plus sign here. And let's say my lessons are according to, let's say, days. So this is day one, for example. Okay, and this is day two. So like this, I will just name it day one, day two, day three. You may name it week one, week two, or session one, session two, depending on how you want to break up your lesson in or your course in different ways. Each day can have, let's say, three topics. So on each day there are three. On some days there may be more, some days there may be less. So you can decide here. So you can see how easy it is to create a structure day-wise, and then topic one, topic two, and all these topics can be then edited in the main section. So if you know that your course is for, let's say, 40 hours, so our system can automatically divide the entire structure equally using the 40-hour maximum time. So if I click on save, and it just gives you a warning, because if you remove something, then it will be removed from the structure as well. So it gives you a warning. If you're 100% sure, just say OK. And now it is creating the structure of the lesson and topics and chapters. And once it is ready, it will refresh, and your new structure will be created. So now the new structure has been created, and what I can do is I can now go into each section and add the content. So you see day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, and they're different topics. So let me go in day one first. So in day one, we have these topics. We can give an introduction to let's say this particular uh, chapter. And then in topic one, I can choose to either add a file. So if I have a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation or anything that that any kind of content that I want, I can add that. So for example, let's say if I go into if I want to load a PowerPoint presentation, for example, so I can definitely go inside that. Let me go and upload the PowerPoint presentation here. For example, this one is the PowerPoint presentation. I'm using this already, so I will just close it. So now I'm going to add the PowerPoint presentation. I can click on upload. And once it is uploaded, it will be shown here. There you go in topic one. So we have this PowerPoint presentation added right here. And now, so like this, I can add presentations, I can add videos, I can add PDFs, Word documents. There are many types of files that you can add. If it is a LibreOffice document, even that can be added. So that is one feature that we just added, that you can now import LibreOffice PowerPoint presentations automatically without having to convert them into PowerPoint. And there is another option. For example, let's say I go to day 2 and topic here, and I want to, I don't know how to make a good structure for this course. So I can click on create topic layout, and it'll give me some predefined structures. For example, it'll give me, let's say I want to use an image, and so like this, if you see here, it's and I want to use this. I want to use a video. I want to use some paragraphs. So I'm going to click on everything here, and then I will show you that it has created this structure. Do you see this? It has created this amazing structure. So you can actually create these. You can then edit the content of this and change the picture if you want. You can just replace the picture. So it's easier to create a website kind of a structure for your lesson. And if I click on preview here, I can go to actions and I can click on preview. So if I click on preview, it will show me how the students are going to see this particular LMS, which is a very good thing because sometimes what you see the students don't see exactly the same way. So you can always go ahead and see that. So this is how the students will see. Students will also be able to see the structure of this particular day. So it'll say, okay, there are 3 topics and which are the assignments and files which are here. The students can go to actions and also they can see the entire course structure. So here they will be able to see, okay, this is the entire course structure, and they can jump to any particular topic. So if they click on this topic here, so you see the students are now able to see the same structure that you created using our layout editor. So it really becomes very easy for you to then, just put the content here. So if you want to lock a particular if you want to lock the entire LMS, you can click on the lock button on the top. That will, as you can see, lock everything. So let's say today is day 1 and I want to unlock day 1. So I can just unlock day 1 and rest of the days will be locked. So now if I see the preview, the students will see that, okay, these are the topics and titles, but they're locked. So if they click on it, it won't really open it. It will come as locked. So even if you have the content here, the students will not be able to see the content unless you unlock them. So if it is a topic, then you can see that the students are able to see the topic. So if you're an admin or an instructor, you can. If you're an instructor, you cannot edit this LMS because this is supposed to be set by the academic department, and the instructors do not have the rights. But we can give special permissions to certain subject matter experts if they want to change. So this is how an LMS is created. Now let me go and show you how this LMS is displayed in the batch. So for example, if this is the batch that we're talking about, which has the LMS. So here, you will see a small notification on the right. So if you see this notification, if you open this, it says that there's an online computer course LMS available. Do you want to assign it to the students? So you can click on Assign LMS and click on OK. So once you click on Assign LMS and OK, it will process the request. And once it has been assigned to all the students, then it will give you an option to unlock everything for the students. So once it is unlocked, then it will once it is assigned, it will automatically reload the page. And once the page is reloaded, so as you can see, the LMS is assigned, and now you can unlock all. So if you click on unlock all, that means everything will be unlocked for the students. So you can click on unlock all. So now there's no notification, it's gone. So when you click on the online course button here, then you will be able to see the same LMS that you have assigned to the students. And if I go into the student's profile, so I'm an admin, so I can always click on the student name here, and I can go into this, I can shadow into the student's profile. So that will take me inside the student's dashboard. And once I go in the student's dashboard, I can see that for this particular course, which I just added the LMS, there's a Start Online Course button here. For these, there's no Start Online Course button because there's no assigned LMS. And if I click on Start Course, so the student will be able to see everything. And since I had unlocked everything, so the student can actually just see right here itself by topic, so they can go from one topic to another, or they can use the next button to go to the next lesson. So like this, they can go to day 1, day 2, day 3, and go through different topics and go through the course. If you have some course documents that you want the students to access, then the students will get the actions menu and course documents. So if I click on course documents, if I had documents here, the students would have seen it. So so basically that's how the students are able to see everything. If there are assignments associated with the course, they will be able to see them here once you allocate them. And if there is an exam, for example, then they can give it right here. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let us know if you have any comments, and please subscribe to our channel to learn more about the REMS. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.